This is Wagwan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real of the real. Follow us on Instagram at Wagwan Dancehall. Welcome back to Wagwan Dancehall. Let's get straight into it because I told you I'm going to jump right in it. A few days ago, Popcaan was arrested in the UK for alleged arrest back in 2009 in Barbados for drug, allegedly.
Yes, so I'm being detained right now. As you know, I'm in the UK. They gotta give me this paper and detain me because of information that was sent by my country that I should be stopped every time I'm here. I wonder why. Mr. Prime Minister of Jamaica.
According to his legal team, there is no such arrest that had happened in those times or ever at that time. To his legal team, they will be taking legal action, and in recent reports it stated that he will be suing JCF for defamation of character. Many are unsure what is the reason behind this as well. He also had plans to be moving Unruly Fest to London as well. We're not sure if this will be affected by it, however, we'll keep you updated. New Rules made a big scene with Alkaline and his team, and they have plenty of upcoming artists including
Plus 3 and them boy drop asleep. I'm sorry, but we need can you could I get peace? I'm a bugger girl stop me. More I say not trouble. You say me a couple dog, me know that it could be. It's a love, it's a loyalty.
But of course, they had a main act other than Alkaline, which was Macka Diamond, and here's her performance.
The one can call me.
Yeah.
Bout him one come after me body.
As a big one.
Make him know about the pop normally.
Yeah.
I tell Jackie you want to ride me. Bang 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 dang 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 dang.
Performance definitely gave off a Sting-ish vibe. If you know Sting, you know exactly how she was. DJ Khaled was in his other hometown, aka Jamaica. He was seen sitting with Miss Sharon, who is the head honcho at Solid Rock Agency, and there has been reports that there will be a DJ Khaled and friends. We know he got a lot of friends. He was seen throughout the media with Skilly Bang as well as Bounty Killer, which she had gifted him a chain. He was also seen and gave props to Shano and big up to his new song, Dark. As you know, every time he comes to Jamaica, he always comes with a new album. So definitely expect the album, maybe an upcoming one, we're not sure. Skang has been making plenty of strides in his career. In recent news, he has been signed to G Jam Music, which is located in Jamaica. You know, Cardi B is very big in hip-hop culture, and Spice is dominating dancehall overseas. Now, we have not seen it, but we've definitely heard that there may or may not be a Spice.
Team up with somebody that you like or somebody that you're a fan of.
Yeah, I always told Spice, like when I was 13 years old.
That.
Yeah,
yes, for sure.
I told her that like I made my dad, like I made him buy me an Ed Hardy shirt because I saw her wear and I was real old songs that it's not even on Apple Music, like and she knows that.
Right.
I be singing them in her face.
That's what I'm saying. That's why that's
exactly,
a natural. That's what. That's exactly my point.
Definitely here for a Spice and Cardi B. They have definitely linked up in the past at award shows. However, there has not been any music yet, but it seems like music will be coming. In June, Jada dropped a new EP called New Motion, and it has a couple of her latest hit singles on there as well. You could check that out on all streaming platforms. In mid-June, the Queen of Dancehall, Spice herself, was awarded International Music Ambassador for the New York City Black and Latino Caucus, and the first Jamaican woman to be honored at this type of achievement. Definitely big up yourself. On more lighter news, Popcaan was also featured on Burna Boy's album Love Damani for his feature on Tony and Sing.
Pretty like Tony and Sing. With me angel with all the two wings.
Is the 2019 Miss World. She's from Jamaica as well as Popcaan's hometown. And in addition to Popcaan being on Burna Boy's album, his album is out, as I stated before. Just a quick review, I do feel like this is a very well established album. It was produced extremely well. I do enjoy the fact that he kept to the culture, mixed in a little bit of R&B, hip hop culture. It's definitely giving a heartbreak album. I have no idea what Steph did to him, but is in here, honey. My favorite songs on the album is, of course, Last, which will be a summer anthem. Naturally, Tony and Sing, because I mean, this is Wagwan Dancehall. Why would we not big up the dancehall on here? As well as Sausago, Ed Sheeran, and Aishana came back, and this time it wasn't for equal rights. It was for their new song called Brace It.
Race it on me, stay there.
But that is it for Wagwan Dancehall. Tune in. As you can see, this is a monthly thing. Next month, same place, same time, just a different date. And if you're interested in the merch, please let me know in the comments below. I will be releasing the shirts when I reach to 1K followers. But that is it for Wagwan Dancehall.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell for all new videos.